It's Earth Care Farm. We're here November 4th, 2020. We're planting our garlic. We plant between Halloween and Thanksgiving. And we're going to give you a little demonstration on how we do it. It's Everett and Deirdre. Alright, so Everett's going to show us how we're topping the beds. We had eggplant here previously in the season. And now we're just going to give back to the soil a little bit by, we're putting down our raised bed mix, which is a little bit of our compost mixed with peat moss and some mineral content as well. Deirdre is going to smooth the compost out, the raised bed mix out, so that we have a nice flat surface there. So when it does rain, the water can soak in evenly in that bed, not puddle or run off the bed. Nice flat surface. And then, let's see. Talk about we use our rake for just all kinds of things, not just traditional raking, which we're going to show you now. Everett's going to take his rake and flip it over and make our lines. Actually, it's a broken rake, just a handle. He's going to make a row marker down the middle of the bed. This marks where our garlic is going to be planted. That's good. And then 6 inches from that middle line, he's going to make another line. And then another line on the other side, 6 inches apart. So we end up with 3, let me see if I can go in there a little bit more. 3 rows, 6 inches apart. Very difficult to see with this sunlight. And Deirdre's gonna come by with our long-handled dibble, which is thanks to Brian O'Connor. And she's gonna mark every 6 inches down those rows, and Everett can follow behind with the rake. We'll just do a tiny little sampling, just a couple feet. And what you'll see is that we have, it's kind of, I call it like a diamond pattern. We have these far 2 rows are lined up with where the holes are, and then the middle hole offsets. So it gives 6 inches in all directions from each other. Plenty of space so we can have nice big garlic heads growing. We've been saving our seed for over 20 years now, and we've got these lusciously large cloves, and that's what you want to plant. You want to plant your best, most beautiful cloves so that every year your stock gets better, every year your soil gets better, your farm gets better, your life gets better. So as we're planting it, Everett's going to show you the orientation of the cloves. They go with the little head of the garlic. You'll see it's got like a hat on. This hat goes up, and he's got roots down here. Those are going to go down into the ground where the roots are going to grow. And you want to plant them so that that little hat piece is fully under the ground. You kind of say twice as deep as the seed is big. That's a general rule of gardening. And then this is just a little sampling. You'll see we have this whole huge field to do. All these mulch rows have already been done. Good work, guys. And then Deirdre's going to cover up the garlic. It's just a gentle little cover with our rake. You don't need a lot of fancy tools for this at all. You probably have everything in your tool shed. Just a real gentle cover, keeping a nice flat bed, not curving the bed at all.
Forgot the straw.
Maybe we'll just grab some. Is it down there?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, then what we're going to do is fluff up the straw. You want to just take some from next, and we'll show how to do it. Like that looks like a good, yeah. Everett's just going to take some straw from here, and we're gonna. You want to, when you're putting it down, the more air that's in there, the more insulating it's going to be. So you want to do this on not a very windy day, and just make it nice like that. That is going to do 2 things. It's going to insulate it for the winter, but also in the springtime, it's going to make it so that it helps to keep the weeds suppressed, which hopefully you have less and less weeds every year too. So anyway, happy garlic planting. It's fall crop, a wonderful time to be planting because there's not much else to plant this time of year. So happy gardening.